I know you click on this video because you want to learn how to create a PayPal account without using a monthly number to verify your account, right? Because I found out that most time buy a number whenever they ask them for ID. You buy number until you get a good account. But that has stopped, alright? So I'll teach you guys how to verify your PayPal account without buying a monthly number, alright? Without buying a monthly number, and how you can keep logging to your account without sending code to that number. Alright, so let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is to turn on your proxy. Okay, this time around I won't recommend you to use Unix. Okay, I will not recommend you to use Unix. If you don't know Unix is a website that gives you access to good residential proxies. Okay, but for PayPal accounts it doesn't work. Alright, Unix doesn't support PayPal accounts. You need a static residential proxy. Okay, so now if you have your static residential proxy, if you're using an iPhone, use the Potato app or the Super Proxy. If you're using your Android, use Super Proxy to connect. Alright, so now I'll use Potato. Right, as you can see right here, I have connected my proxy. Right, I've connected my proxy, so we'll be creating a UK PayPal account. So after that, use one browser. You can use DuckDuckGo. Right, this is DuckDuckGo right here. Okay, and but for this tutorial I'll be using the Brave browser right here. This is the Brave browser, that's what I'll be using. So let's tap on it like this. Okay, now I'm on PayPal. Right, I'm on PayPal. As you can see, this is paypal.com/UK. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, now all you just need to do is to click on sign up right here. Alright, let's wait. So what I normally do before I even create PayPal account is make sure everything is ready. My address, everything is ready. Right, I normally use address that is in my UK bank account. Like for Grey, I use the address that is on my Grey account. For what do I call it? Even for ID, I already created an ID, everything, in case they ask me to verify my account. Alright, but for this, if they ask us for ID, I will not verify it. Okay, because I'm just here to show you guys how you can verify your PayPal account without needing a number. Alright, so now I will be creating a personal PayPal account. The reason why you should not create a business PayPal account, because it comes with many risks. Okay, you need to buy LLC, buy a business name and all that in the UK, and it costs a lot of money. You understand? But there are some people that are using, like, there are people that have created a PayPal account, a business PayPal account for last 2 years, and they do not have all of these things. You understand? And their PayPal is very, very strong. Okay, but I suggest you go for personal. Alright, so click on get started. Or if you want to receive big funds, then you can go for business, and you have to spend money. Alright, so for this tutorial I'll be putting in one of my email right here, right there. Alright, that's my email right there. So right here I'll click on next. Alright, now they ask us to put a phone number. Okay, ask us to put a phone number. All you just need to do is to go to this website. Go to this website called right here. This is all SMS verify. As you can see right here, allsmsverify.com. Go to the website. Alright, to get a PayPal number, alright, you need to use a one-time PayPal number, and I've used them 2 times now. As you can see, I buy 2 numbers from them, and they are all PayPal numbers. Alright, to verify my PayPal account, so just click on buy number right here. Make sure you sign up. Alright, the sign up process is very easy, and to deposit you can use your bank transfer in any country. Alright, so choose United Kingdom, since it's the United Kingdom PayPal you are creating right now. Then search for PayPal. As you can see, the PayPal number right here, this is the pricing. Okay, this is the pricing. If you find out that your country is not here, let me know so that I can suggest another number site to get number from. Alright, so click on buy number right here. Now I've bought the number. Just scroll down, you'll see the number right there. Alright, just copy it. Right, now you have copied the number. Let's go back to our PayPal, then paste the number right here. Okay, remove this plus 44. Okay, so remove it, then click on next. Okay, they have sent code to the number, right? So let's go back to the site. Alright, I'll put in another number right here because my proxy isn't allowing me to continue, so I will start from the website on my other device right there. Alright guys, the code has arrived, so that's how it goes. So 877. Okay, so right here I will put in a password real quick, and I'll click on next. Okay, right there I'll just put in a name. I'll put in, let's say, I'm putting a random name, right? Henry. Okay, so right there I'll put in a date of birth, then I'll click on next. Most of you are asking, will this verify PayPal if I put a different name? Sometimes it works. Like if you want to connect your bank and the name doesn't match, sometimes it works. Alright, we have tried it many times and it works. Okay, so I'll click on next right there. Now, I hope you know this is a one-time number, so they will ask you for a code again. Alright, so make sure you do all of these things I'm doing. Alright, so right there I'll just put in a as I said, this is a tutorial. You should use your postcode that is on your UK bank account, right? You can go to your grade, you will see it there. They will write the postal code. Make sure you put this postal code. All right, so I'm just putting this postal code for a reason. Okay, so I'll agree and create an account. Hope you know you can also add other bank to it, I mean other addresses to it. All right, so let's continue. And happy Sunday to you guys. Right, so I just let me do this before I go to church. So let's hold on. If you do any single mistake right here, you need to go and buy a number, so make sure you don't do any mistake. Don't do any mistake right here. I just want to land on the interface so I can show you guys. Okay, skip this. See, not now. Not now. If they take us back, then that means you need to go and start again. That means you need to go and buy a number again, but make sure it does not take you back. Because okay, let me check for the code on my other device right here. Okay, this is the code. Okay, let's continue right there. Okay, now as you can see, they say confirm your account. Just leave all of this confirm your account. Alright, I've verified my PayPal before, so these things are not even shocking anymore. So come right to this section, right? These three lines, then tap on settings. Tap on this settings button. Okay, let's wait. Okay, right there, just click on security. Tap on security, okay? And hope you know, if your name does not start, if they ask you for proof of address and the name of your proof of address isn't aligning with the name on your PayPal, you will not be able to verify your PayPal. Okay, I'm just telling you guys because this is just a tutorial. Okay, so come right to two-step verification. Okay, what this allows us to do is that we don't need to receive code through the number again. All we are receiving code is through this two-step verification. Use an authentication app, right? Okay, now you see this thing, you copy this, right? Copy this, go to this app. This is the app right here. Just search it on your Google Authenticator, right? Google Authenticator. So just tap on it like this, then tap on this plus button right here, click on setup key, then you can name it PayPal account, PayPal, then put the key there, tap on it, paste it there, then click on add. Automatically this is the code. Then before it expires, just paste it here, then click on confirm. So that's done. So whenever you want to log in, all the code you will need is not from a number. All the code you will need, they are here. Right, this is it, PayPal account, right? So this is the code you'll be needing for anything you want to do right now. So they will never ask you to verify your phone number again. All right, so but if you want to be extra careful, you can go for a phone number. But without money, just do this and you know everything will go well. All right, so let's go back to home. Let's see the PayPal account. And the reason why PayPal will ask you for number verification, ID verification, is because the name on the PayPal has existed before, so they want to verify you, right? So if you want to create an account that you don't need to link your bank to it, just make sure the name you'll be using hasn't existed on PayPal account. All right, you can put any random name, but just be extra careful. All right. Alright guys, so I hope you find any value in these videos. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, join my Telegram channel if you want to get more updates. Alright, so yeah, and if you want to get a static registration process for PayPal account specifically, let me know. Alright, let me know. You send me a message and we'll see you guys on the next